welcome to Little Sunshine. Today we are going to unbox pottery wheel. I'm really excited. Pottery wheel, pottery plate. User manual. Some tools, color tray, 6 colors paint, 2 brushes and cutting cord with grips, 2 packets of clay. We need 2 D-size batteries. Squeeze the clay with water until it becomes soft. It was really so fun. Finally, we got something. After drying, we painted them. And these are some handmade clay kitchen sets. Give it a try. Bye. Happy pottery. Thank you for watching.